Good morning. Welcome to the Department of Prasuti Tantra evam Stri Roga. In this department, we have the following staff strength as we have professors Dr. Rita Makim, Dr. Ashokan V, Dr. VNK Usha, Dr. Suresh Chandra Pandya, Dr. Dattatreya Khairnar and Dr. Manjusha Karkare. As assistant professors, we have Dr. Dhanya Nair, Dr. Nidhi Ninama, Dr. Srinivas Jadhav. So we have the Department of Prasuti Tantra and Stri Roga with Professor L. Chamber, head of the department, and the record sections, staff rooms, PG classrooms, and the departmental library. The departmental library is well-fledged with over 120 books, and previous thesis works are collected, and department is provided with a working internet connection with a desktop and a printer. The department is well furnished with a departmental museum, here we have the previously mentioned specimens of the department with various specimens including the uterine with adenomyotic lesions, breast lumps, hysterectomy specimens, intramural polyp specimen, cervical hyperplasia specimens, cervical fibroid specimens of various origin, and breast adenoma and multiple uterine fibroid specimens, and various teaching aids including female bony pelvis, the bony pelvises, then the fetus, working model of the abdomen for demonstrating the normal labor process, female reproductive system, male external genitalia. These are the various models of plates available in the department, demonstrating the various study material regarding the gynecological as well as obstetrical origin. Shokan V, Professor and Head, Department of Prasuti Tantra and Stri Roga, welcomes you to the highlights of the department. So we have, as mentioned, we have 9 faculties, 18 PG scholars, 6 in each year, with one attending staff, over 100 books, charts 94 with models 7 in number, specimen 14 in number. We have 24 theses adding to 124 books in the library. Bed strength of the department is 37 and bed occupancy is more than 50%. Department on an average conducts 46 to 50 departmental seminars and around 50 journal presentation every academic year. So far we have completed PG and PhD synopsises, submitted and proposals. We have conducted studies on the topics in obstetrics like Garphini Pandu, Garphini Chhardi, Kikkisa, Garphini Udarashula, Yoga in pregnancy and Pranayama in pregnancy, then episiotomy wound care, Sutika Paricharya, Sutika and Sukha Prasava, medicines for Sukha Prasava, then Kashtartava, Atyartava, Kafaja Yonivapat, Granthibhuta Artavadushti, anovulation and cervical erosion. We have conducted various studies. On menopause, we have conducted 2 studies, and ongoing researches in this field are Garphini Paricharya with music therapy, Haritokta Sutika Paricharya, episiotomy wound care, Sutika Stanyakshaya Chikitsa, Garbhasrava Chikitsa, Kikkisa, genital prolapse with Yonipichu, Agnikarma and cervical erosion, polycystic ovarian disease and dysmenorrhea in the management of Uttarbasti through dysmenorrhea, and DOB. So the departmental proposals submitted are on premenstrual syndrome and dysmenorrhea. Various department also conducts various camps to screen patients for the benefit of the society. These are set of instruments which are available in the department for teaching purpose, in addition to the set of instrument which is used practically in the ward. So we have various instruments like a Doyen's retractor, sponge holding forceps, Sim speculum, Cusco speculum, Wrigley's forceps, anterior vaginal wall retractor, uterine sound, uterine curate, various types of forceps, episiotomy scissors, sponge holding forceps, various types of dilators, valsellum, etc.